what is erectile dysfunction? Is it common nowadays?
Yeah, it's very common. Erectile dysfunction. Initially, they describe this impotence. The word is very wounding. So, now they use erectile dysfunction. The definition of erectile dysfunction is not able to do sex to the level of satisfaction of partners, but this is not measurable. Some people, they will be satisfied with easy simple things, some people they are not satisfied even after 20 minutes sex. So, now erectile dysfunction is redefined by objective methods. So, the penis is hard, rigid like cucumber, then we see grade 4 good erection. Grade 3 is like banana with the skin. Grade 2 peeled banana, peeled banana, it's erect but not hard. They cannot do sex with grade 2 erection. Grade 1 is tofu or sponge like, size will be bigger and there won't be rigidity, they cannot do sex. So, in a given population in any country, around 52% of the people they are normal, males, 52% of the people are normal. 15% of the people they have mild erectile dysfunction like banana with skin, unpeeled banana, mild erectile dysfunction, they will not have full rigidity. Another 10 to 15% of the people they have grade 2 erectile dysfunction, moderate erectile dysfunction. Here peeled banana, they cannot do sex. The rest of them they have severe erectile dysfunction, they cannot do sex at all. The causes for erectile dysfunction, we can say mental and physical causes. Psychological causes like depression, anxiety, fear, any emotion can disturb the erection. Body wise, diabetes is the main cause for erectile dysfunction nowadays. So, diabetes is increasing now throughout the world. In India, the diabetes is the number one cause for erectile dysfunction in males. We all know that India is the capital of the world for diabetes. Huge number of people are having diabetes in India. Because 60% of the diabetic people, they become ED, erectile dysfunction patients. So, number of people affected by erectile dysfunction is very high. So, India become the capital of erectile dysfunction for the world. Other reasons for erectile dysfunction, metabolic causes, various diseases, metabolic problems, thyroid, so many other causes. Hormones like testosterone, low testosterone like, and nerve problems, diabetic neuropathy or any injury in the spinal cord, any kind of neuropathy can cause diabetes. And urological problems, any surgery in and around the pelvis, reproductive organs, surgery related to reproductive organs can cause erectile dysfunction. So many other drugs and conditions can produce erectile dysfunction, like hypertension can cause, hypertension drugs can cause erectile dysfunction. Mental disorders can cause erectile dysfunction. Drugs using curing mental disorder, psychiatric drugs can cause erectile dysfunction. Epilepsy, fits can cause erectile dysfunction. Drugs using for fits can be causing erectile dysfunction, can be a cause. Sleeplessness can cause erectile dysfunction. Sleeping pills can cause erectile dysfunction. So, all drugs, recreational drugs like marijuana, ganja, so many all drugs, or alcohol, smoking, all drugs are causing erectile dysfunction. Nowadays, alcohol consumption is very high in India, especially in Tamil Nadu and many part of the India. Throughout the world, alcohol consumption is more and more. This is also an important cause for erectile dysfunction. Fortunately, smoking is coming down because of the awareness, but alcohol consumption is becoming more and more. So many problems or diseases, drugs, conditions can cause erectile dysfunction. So, erectile dysfunctions can be treated effectively. Whether it should be treated or not, it should be treated. Why? Because penis is the barometer of your health. You have strong erection, your body and mind are healthy. You are having erectile dysfunction, either your body or your mind has got a problem. It should be treated. Another important thing is 60% of people, they have suffered from erectile dysfunction, subsequently within 2 to 3 years they had heart attack. They need bypass surgery or stent, something like that for heart. So, it should be ruled out. Whenever you have erectile dysfunction, you should be investigated properly, because basically erectile dysfunction is a vascular disease. It is a blood vessel disease. Blood vessels are affected in the penis, can affect in the heart also. In the penis, the blood vessels are 1 to 2 millimeters. They are affected first. Later, heart vessels, blood vessels can be affected, because cardiac blood vessels will be 3 to 4 millimeters. They are affected next. So, any person who is suffering from erectile dysfunction should be investigated for cardiac illness also and to be treated properly. So, erectile dysfunction is 100% treatable. We treat in 3 ways. Number 1, stage 1, oral medications, tablets. After the invention of Viagra, other second generation, third generation, fourth generation, we say PDE5 inhibitor. Viagra, we say PDE5 inhibitor. Second generation, third generation, fourth generation medicine have come. So, young people we give Tadalafil, a tablet which works for 36 hours. But it gives enough erection, because they are all young, small stimulation, less stimulation can give good erection. Viagra type of drugs, they give hard erection, but less time, 4 hours, it works only 4 hours, but it gives very good erection. So, oral drugs initially, first stage of treatment. Second level of treatment is vacuum suction. We can apply a cylinder over the penis and remove the air inside, and penis become very big. At the base of the penis we put a rubber band and erection persists because it locks the blood inside. They can do sex. After completing the sexual act, they have to remove the rubber band. And we can put some injections inside the penis. Pepavarin, prostaglandin E2, these sort of injections can be injected inside the penis, so they get good erection. And shock wave therapy, Willis 8000, these are all the newer modalities of treatment. Finally, if all these modalities are not useful, the person is not getting good erection, we can opt for penile prosthesis, a surgery. We can insert silastic tube inside the penis. They have good erection. They don't bother about erectile dysfunction, erection failure. They can do sex whenever they want without any failure. They need not take any tablets, they need not put any injections. So, 3 modalities of treatments are available. It will be successfully treated.
Thanks, doctor. Thanks for your leisure time.
Thank you very much.